Good morning, children. Today, in the chapter Measurement of Weight, this topic we are going to discuss. The topic is which is heavier. That means you will be given two options. Among them, you have to select which is the heavier one. Now, you have to find serially. That means I will give you two options. Both the options you have to compare and then you have to find out which is heavier. This type of questions are very important from the point of view of your exam. So practice this type of questions. More questions may come. So I have shown you here the questions from the book. Whatever I have done in the book and I am explaining those questions again here. Follow it, you can understand very nicely. Now see, first one is what? First one is 500 gram weight or 4 100 gram. Here it is written 4 100 gram weights. So, which is heavier? So, here it is given only 500 gram. So, 500 gram or 400 gram. So, we can break and we can find out 400 gram means 4 into 100 gram. 4 into 100 gram. We are breaking it like this to make you explain. That means, or you can tell 4 times 100. You can tell it like this, 4 times 100 gram. So times means multiply. So if this type of multiplication is coming, see, you will only multiply the digits. It is so easy. You are multiplying 4 ones are 4. So it will become 4. And how many zeros are left over? 2 zeros are left over. So 400 gram. Now see, this side is 500 gram and the other side is 400 gram. So we can understand which is heavier. 500 gram obviously. 500 gram is more. So we are going to tick over it. Or below you can write the answer that 500 gram. Below you can write the answer also 500 gram or above it you can tick it. If you are copying the question, you can tick it over the question, or if you are not copying the question, directly write the answer 500 gram. Here I have just explained you, so no need to write this all. Just for explanation I am writing. You can do it as rough word in other place. To understand, if you want to solve like this, you can do this type of explanation in your rough word. And here you should write down the only answer. Next one, see, 200 gram weight or 550 gram. 550 gram. That means 5 times 50 because no sign is there. That means it will be 5 times 50 gram. And the other side is 200 gram. So now if I am writing like this, 200 gram or I will break it 5 times 50 or I will write down like this 5 into 50 gram. Now see, it is written in words. Here also it is written in words. I have made it in digit. I have changed it into digit. So easy way to understand. Now 5 times 50 or I am making it 5 into 50. So 5 5s I will multiply only the digits. So here I am underlining and I am only multiplying the digits. You know 5 5s are 25. So I am writing at 25 and only 1 0 is there. Only 1 0 is there. So what I will do? I will add this 0 with the number that I got after multiplication. So 25. So after that I had added 0 and it has become 250 gram. Now we can now compare. One side is 200 gram and the other side is 250 gram. So which is heavier? Obviously 250 gram. So we can say this 550 gram is heavier than 200 gram weight. So I hope you are understanding, children. See, breaking up is easier for you. You can do it as rough work, and if you want to copy the question, put a tick over it, or if you don't want to copy the question, directly write down the answer. That means here the answer will be 550 gram. Next one, 1 kg. One side I am getting kg and the other side 4 200 gram. So one side is kg, the other side is gram. So first I have to compare and make both the sides same. So this side is gram, no problem. The other side is kg. I am changing it into gram. So 1 kg equal to how many gram? We know 1 kg is 1000 gram. So I am writing here 1000 gram. Or now I have changed 1 kg into 1000 gram. It also has become gram. Now this side also 200 gram. Now 4 times 200. 4 times 200. That means 4 into 200. So I will make it here 4 into 200 gram. Now see, you can multiply here also directly, or I am breaking it up to explain you. Now 4 times 200. Now I will multiply only the digits. Now here the digits are 4 and 2. So 4 twos will become what? 4 twos is 8. And how many zeros are there with 200? 2 zeros are there. So I am going to add this 2 zero here, and it will become 800 gram. Now easily you can understand, this side also gram, the other side is also gram. So 1000 gram, 800 gram. Which is more? Yes, 1000 gram is more. So I will take 1000 gram means 1 kg. So 1 kg weight is heavier than 4 200 gram weights. So you will write down 1 kg weight. Or if you are copying the question, put a tick over the option given below. Next one. The 3 questions are of 3 types I have explained. Follow it very carefully. You can do any type of questions if it is coming like this. Okay. Next one, 100 gram weight. What is this? 100 gram weight and 620 gram. So I am going to underline 620 gram weight. Okay, so which is heavier? We are finding out which is heavier. Now, here also gram, this side also gram, so no conversion is required, but it is 100 gram. So I am going to write down 100 gram, or now 620 gram. That means 6 times 20, 6 times 20, or 6 multiplied by 20, or 6 into 20, whatever you say. So I will write here 6 into 20 gram. Now what I told, you are going to multiply the digits. Now 6 twos are how much? 6 twos are 12. We know 6 twos are 12, so I am writing here 12. And only 1 zero is left over. Only 1 zero is left over, so I am adding up 1 zero with it. So it is becoming 120 gram. Now see children, this side is 100 gram and the other side is 120 gram. So which is more? 120 gram is more. So that means this side is heavier. So we have to choose 6 120. Now the calculation, the side where the calculation is more, we will select that side, because that means the object will be heavier on that side only. The weight is more, that means that side is more heavier. So it became 100 gram or 620 gram. So it became 120 gram. So we have selected 620 gram is heavier than 100 gram weight. Now I hope you have understood the calculations and the process we have followed here. Please practice this type of questions at home and follow and do the rough work like this, and then choose the correct option. Okay? Thank you children.